Okay, so we have the Forest River Wildcat 2011. Very incredibly clean coach. Got slide topper up there. Two big slides. It's got a really big basement. Looks like a heated basement too. This is the last day of the month. This is the time if you want to get a coach and save the most amount of money. Today's the day. It has electric rear jacks also. You can see that. Spare tire. It's got a hitch on it. Large electric awning. That's the model number. This is kind of all the storage. It's got a large TV on a swing arm. Corian countertops. Solid. Very good shape. Table and chairs. And we'll get you a very special price on this coach. Good for the last day of the month, which is today. Wow, very unique bedroom. This is interesting. The bed's on an angle. Wow. Walk around bed. It's got a fireplace. This is really a nice coach. I'll buy this one. Large stand-up shower. And overall, this is a 9.5 out of a possible 10. Really nice. Let me know.